roti. Huh? Watch what going on. Roll it. Vale. I know. You have to know if you need anything right.
You gotta be wrong too.
Yeah?
You gotta be wrong.
Yeah, that's the roll, you understand? No joke. Kitchen day.
What's up?
Yeah, that's it.
Yes, wrong.
I'll make it in there.
You gotta turn it over. Put flour on top.
Say them on top.
Put the flour on top.
Somebody instruct me to write it. Yeah? Yeah, instruct me. You know the woman, the my chef, you know what, is like, when they see you, man,
Turn your roti upside down and turn.
boom, dog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, this one look, Alana. Oh, this one look, Davica. 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 Oh, yeah. Oh, watch.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, roti. Mad thing. Mad thing. A day in the kitchen. I never know. Woman can't roll roti a bat. But chef. Well, I don't know, you know. A day in the kitchen with me and wife. You don't know rich queen there. Roti day. You don't know, you know. Mad thing. You see me as I can see wife here. Roll out the roti. But what's stand up and boom. Chop the roti. Spread the oil upon it. You know the thing going the Guyana style. You understand? No joke. Rich queen. But you don't know me a big chef already, so you know so me have to do the thing too. And help out wife, you know what I mean? You see me? But the same thing, same, you know? Spread the roti on the pan. Put the oil, flip it over. Rub oil. You see me? Nice. Guyanese style, you know what I mean? No joke. Don't know, flip it over again, you know, big chef, rich boss there in a place, you know, man. You see me? And if you like the video,
Ready. Move quick.
What's
Take a
that?
boy.
Yeah.
Turn the stove heat low.
Turn it low.
Round put aisle.
On top.
Where spoon everything? Where spoon when everything I use? Huh? Yeah.
Yes.
See me now? Yeah, see me
Yeah, I
good?
miss you.
Hold on me now. Yeah. What thing?
Let the one say cook until it's brown.
Yeah.
And then you turn an aisle again.
I use a knife, turn it, right, Dave?
Wait till it fits all up.
It's brown. It's brown?
No, it's not brown.
Not yet. One let go.
You gotta be good, bro.
That first roti, not good.
The first one?
That roti.
Yeah.
Turn over. Aisle now.
Turn it over the
Wow.
aisle. Do it fast.
Make sure all over the aisle.
Yeah.
And you have to shake it a little hard. I don't know how you shake it.
How shake it, like, in terms of...
In the mouth.
In the bowl.
You shake it, man. Shake it, there.
Not too hard. It's not gonna be before it loose up.
Roti. Why you go rich queen? Watch it. See that?